Welcome to this SolidWorks 2018 course from Render, where we will learn how to create details, which are the 2D sheets with technical information to be sent to manufacturing. Generally speaking, the details contain views of the model, cuts, sections, quotas, symbols, annotations and other elements necessary for the correct interpretation of the project. In this first lesson we will see how the course is organized to facilitate learning. Come on, let's go. This course is organized in 2 modules, which contains classes, where we teach step by step how to use program commands and tools. Practical examples, where we review the content, performing case studies, and exercises, which are tasks for the student to do and train. In the first module we will have an overview of the course and learn how to access the detailed environment. We will learn how to define sheet that will be used by choosing existing formats or creating new sheet sizes. We will automatically insert views from 3D models of parts and assemblies, configuring the scale and style of the views. We will learn how to insert the quotas or dimensions, which are fundamental to the correct manufacture of the product. We will see how to add important symbols, indicating surface finish, geometric tolerances, among others. We will make the insertion of texts, which are useful to create the general annotations of the project. We will know the ballooning options, which are very important for the correct definition of assembly details. And see how to insert the bill of material, which specifies the project items and their quantities, among other information. In the second module, we will train the development of details, performing practical examples, where we will detail a flange and a plastic support. Inserting your views, quotas and other information necessary for manufacturing. We also propose 2 complementary exercises, for the student to do and improve himself even more in the use of the program, detailing a nut in the assembly of a cylindrical roller bearing. After completing this course, the student will be able to use SolidWorks 2018 to create complete details of their projects, being able to ship to manufacturing and produce properly. We wish you an excellent learning. Render who knows, teaches.